On the occasion of this new moon, we are going to cleanse our tarot deck. The tarot cards are the tool for tapping into our intuitive insights. So before we energize the card, let us light the candle. And while we are lighting the candle, make an intention that may this light clean away the energy of the deck, clean away the aura, and the way it lightens the home. This light also enlightens our intuition, enlightens our mind to read the cards with our intuitive powers. Use this card for the benefit of self as well as benefit for mankind. Today I am committing myself to understand the tarot in the most appropriate, ethical way and serve humanity with my intuitive skills of reading the deck. Now you may hold your deck in your hands. Let the deck be in the order as you had purchased it. That means the first card would be the card of the lady who created this deck, and the last card would be the card which has come with the deck. And in between, it will start from the major arcana and all the elements from the cards, the way you had purchased it. So now place your palms, left palm below the deck and the right palm above it, and close your eyes. Focus on your breathing. Take a deep breath in. Slowly breathe out. Relax, relax, relax. Once again, take a deep breath in. Slowly breathe out. Relax, relax, relax. Once again, taking a deep breath in. Slowly breathe out. Relax, relax, relax. Return your breathing to normal level. With this 3 aligning breath, you have aligned your body, mind and soul. And now focus upon your crown chakra. Take in the universal cleansing light to not only cleanse you and your aura, but also the cards in your hands. So allow this universal light to come into your crown chakra, clearing up your brain, skull, your forehead, moving down into your face, opening up of your third eye, so that when you read the cards, you will be able to understand not only the keywords, but the intuitive messages that are different for different individuals. So every time you are reading the cards, you will be able to open up your third eye, and the images will fall onto your third eye to read the cards and the spread with ease and grace. Bring that energy down onto your face. Bring a smile to your face that God has blessed you with these additional tools to tap into your God-gifted intuitive powers. And you're feeling so blessed, so happy to use these tools not only for yourself, but also for the benefit of mankind. Bring the energy down into your throat. Give a command that whenever I am doing reading for self or others, I will be able to speak with integrity whatever I see in the deck without allowing my judgments, my conclusions, my fear while I am doing any reading. So whatever I see through the cards, I will communicate to the people appropriately without any judgment, without any fears. Moving down onto the shoulders. All your existing responsibility, just let it go. Release your shoulders. Drop down all the tensions and burdens you have been carrying, including the burdens of reading. You are not carrying the burden of other people while you are doing any reading for your client, your friends, or your family. You are being a pure channel to do the reading for anybody who asked you. You will not use the reading trespassing anybody's mind. You have a free will to read your cards, but unless somebody asks you to do the reading, you will refrain from doing so. We have no right to trespass anybody's life. Though you may still love to read for your family members, the close family members, for the highest good of the family members. You will read only for the highest good of everyone involved. The cards are not going to be like a future prediction for you or for your client or your family members or whosoever you read. The cards are just giving you a probable outcome, and you can guide the people how they can change the outcome if it is not preferable for that human being. Everyone can change their destiny through their action, through their thoughts, through their karmas. So drop the shoulders down from all the burden you may carry or you are already carrying. Move into your heart chakra, full of love, compassion, forgiveness. So you are doing all the readings with pure unconditional love. You are not doing the reading when you are angry, hurt, or resentful, because that is what will flow out from your heart. So always make sure you are reading for the benefit of mankind and you are reading with unconditional love. Move down onto your solar plexus. Every reading will have an etheric cord connecting you with the client whose reading you are doing. So after every reading, cut the etheric cord with your family members, with your clients, so that it does not drain your energy in any way. So right now, beginning to cut all the etheric cords of all the healings you have done, all the readings you have done so far, so that you are not holding on to anyone's energy which can drain you. You are pure the way you were born. Move down into your legs, your thighs, your knees, your calf muscles, your ankle, your feet, and imagine white roots coming out of your feet and going down into the Mother Earth. This is a very important aspect where you are grounding your energies in the Mother Earth for transmutation, taking away the negative energies from your aura, from your deck, and putting it to Mother Earth for healing, cleansing, and transmutation. Allow the roots to go very, very deep. Deeper the roots grow, the stronger you become. All your reading comes from the place of grounded, safe and secure reading. Right from the Mother Earth, connected to the soul star up above your crown chakra. So while you are doing, there's an inflow of energy from the universe and the Mother Earth. Both the energies coming in, and you are operating from the heart chakra to do all your readings from today. In the heart, visualize the God or angels you believe in. Fold your hands as if you're praying and make a small prayer. Dear God, I am using this tool to enhance my intuitive powers, to enhance and use this God-gifted powers. Always be present in all my readings. Keep me away from all the negative energies, the evil thoughts of others. Let my reading be pure from the universal energy. Let me be able to convey my reading with complete integrity, honesty, and with lots of love. God and angels, be present in all my reading. In case being human, if I tend to make any mistakes while I'm reading, please correct it and let there be happiness, love, peace in all my readings. Let me be able to understand each card with your intuitive powers. Thank you for blessing me with this beautiful deck. I will honor this gift. I will keep it safe and secured. I will protect my cards. I will always keep it well, like a beautiful gift from God. And I will use it with a lots of love, respect, and faith. Bring the card close to your heart. Let it merge with your heart energy. Let all the cards and the meaning, the keywords be downloaded into your mind and into your heart. All the cards, the major arcana, the minor arcana, the court cards, all are going into your heart. All the keywords from all the cards are being downloaded into your mind. And when you see through the cards, you will know the keywords. You will understand the meaning of the cards. You will interpret the card well. You will interpret the spreads well. Thank you, God, for blessing me with this beautiful tool. As a message of appreciation, God, I am picking up one card for understanding my guidance. Let me know what do I need to know today from my cards. Just pick out one card. Look at the card. Understand its meaning, understanding its keyword, understanding the flow of intuitive messages coming to you. If you wish, you may write down all the answers what flows through your mind. Similarly, you can have message for the day every day like this. If you wish to evaluate your answer, you may surely send it to me. Thank the cards, thank your God, and as and when you feel comfortable, you may slowly and gradually open your eyes, feeling better than before. With a gratitude in your heart, peace in your mind, joy in yourself, you may slowly and gradually open your eyes. Thank you, thank you, thank you. This meditation is brought to you by Laila Ahmed. Till we meet next, light and fragrance to all of you.